This is a 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4 gas engine with 137,000 miles. Gorgeous truck. We had the truck lino lined. You will never scratch it. Fully serviced. Brand new tires, brand new brakes, brand new basically everything. Our shop went through this thing with a fine-tooth comb. Tow package, bed liner. The vehicle is running. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Rust-free Texas vehicle, one owner. Smoked headlights and taillights. One of a kind. Four-door extended cab. The cloth seats are in great condition. Carfax report, one owner, no accidents. Aftermarket Pioneer radio. Four by four on the floor. No sagging headliner. Absolutely in amazing condition. Power windows, locks, cruise control. So this is a 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500, one owner, 137,000 miles, 4x4 extended cab, gas engine, needs absolutely nothing, fully serviced, one of a kind.